Here I have DOOGEE V20, and today I'm going to show you how to change volume buttons function in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you can change volume key feature. You can set it to volume, to shutter, or to zoom. So as you can see, now I can zoom with volume keys. Unbelievable. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.